So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can check your storage in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to check your Mac storage, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video without any delays. Just go ahead and open your system settings first because you'll find your storage there. You'll probably be shown this page first with many options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, VPN, notification sounds, and many options. We just need to go ahead and find general and tap there. And now you'll see even more options like about, software update, and storage. Once you find storage, just open it. And guys, now you can finally see your storage. Now it will show you how much storage that you have used and how much storage that you have left. It will also show you what application is using most of your storage. As you can see, I have the most documents, so this red button is quite long and it shows how much GB it has already used up. And you can also see your applications, your many other options right here in your system data. There's also an option to immediately empty your trash, and there's also an option to optimize storage. It says right here that you can save space by automatically removing movies and TV shows that you've already watched from this Mac. You can also choose to store your storage in iCloud and just delete it from the device. So guys, that's how you check your storage in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.